how to enable others to comment on your posts. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off enable others to comment on all your posts on Likee app, easy and quick in 1 minute. So first thing, go to your Likee app and click on home at the bottom to go to for you page. Once you are here, click on those three lines up there and you're gonna find this list. Click on setting at the bottom again, and now click on privacy, which is the second choice, and scroll down. You're gonna find enable others to comment on my posts. So when disabled, others cannot comment on your post. Turn on or off this option, whatever you are comfortable with. So this is it guys, it's so easy and quick. Like I said, hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and help us with a like.